my channel, and in today's video, as promised, I'm going to be doing a full tour on the hotel that I stayed at in Lanzarote called Melia Salinas. Now if you haven't already, feel free to check out my previous video on the room tour, but if you would like to find out more about this hotel, my views, the price and what it looks like, then keep watching. Let me start off by saying that this hotel is absolutely stunning. It's just the aesthetic for me. So the restaurant and the bar area is just so sophisticated. There's so many places to sit. You have this lovely outside area for the mornings. You have lovely scenery throughout the hotel. The pool, beautiful. You have your sun lounges and the pool was nice and warm. There was a lot of space, plenty of areas to, catch a tan, and the view in itself is just stunning. You can pay extra to be a VIP guest, to have access to VIP areas, and I don't know how much more it is. I don't know, I feel like it was overrated because it didn't look really nice, and as you can see, the sun lounges were dirty, so yeah. But you have the beach view, and also with VIP access, you have access to additional restaurants such as this one, so you have, snacks and stuff that you can have throughout the day, but in terms of paying extra for it, I just don't know if I would have wanted to do that, but I didn't, so that's fine. As far as accessibility goes, I'm going to have to give a thumbs up for this hotel because they have lifts. And going back to this idea of aesthetic, there's this beautiful tropical scene throughout the hotel. It really does calm you and make you feel like you're in serenity. Again, plenty of places to sit down as well. Absolutely love the room. We went for the basic Melia room and it was so nice. If you've not seen my room tour video already, check it out. It's my previous video on my channel and it gives you a more in-depth review on there of the room, so feel free to check that out if you want to find out more information. The gym is absolutely everything. First and foremost, they have a yoga studio, and also the gym equipment is great. The space in the area is great, and also the scenery. Like, imagine working out, looking out the window and seeing the views of the beach. You cannot complain. Now when it comes to the restaurant, I absolutely loved the food. I cannot fault it. They had different theme nights, so different types of food depending on what day it was, and they would also have free alcohol on display as well. As far as the entertainment goes, the entertainment was really good. It was really sophisticated and classy, so like live bands, which was pretty cool. The beach, again, this is a beach hotel, and the beach in itself is just lovely. Like, everything about this place just screams luxury, sophistication, class. It's great for couples. It's great for a romantic getaway. It's great for going away for serenity and peace and just really having time to yourself away from a busy life. So I would definitely say book this hotel. So let's talk about rating. I am going to just throw this out there and say that this place deserves a 9 out of 10, just because I don't have any faults. It's as simple as that. So book it. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.